Day 11. English Vocabulary Practice. Words 1001 through 1100. Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Today, we will learn 100 more useful English words.
These are words 1001 through 1100.
I will say the English word,
Then I will read one simple example sentence.
word 1001.
Let's start learning.
Balcony,
We sat on the balcony.
basement,
The boxes are in the basement.
ceiling,
The ceiling is very high.
chimney,
Smoke comes out of the chimney.
closet,
My clothes are in the closet.
curtain,
Please close the curtain.
hallway,
The hallway is clean.
porch,
We drank coffee on the porch.
roof,
Snow covered the roof.
landlord,
The landlord fixed the sink.
tenant,
The tenant pays rent every month.
rent,
We pay rent on the first day of the month.
mortgage,
They are paying a mortgage.
furniture,
The furniture is new.
bookshelf,
The books are on the bookshelf.
drawer,
My socks are in the drawer.
cabinet,
The dishes are in the cabinet.
blanket,
I need a warm blanket.
pillow,
This pillow is soft.
neighborhood,
Our neighborhood is peaceful.
suburb,
They moved to the suburbs.
downtown,
We walked downtown yesterday.
intersection,
Turn left at the intersection.
traffic jam,
We were stuck in a traffic jam.
parking lot,
The parking lot is full.
gasoline,
My car needs gasoline.
fuel,
Fuel prices are rising.
repair shop,
The car is at the repair shop.
mechanic,
The mechanic repaired my brakes.
cashier,
The cashier gave me my receipt.
cashier line,
The cashier line is long.
customer service,
Customer service was helpful.
refund,
I received a refund.
warranty,
The phone has a 1-year warranty.
receipt,
Keep your receipt.
bargain,
This jacket is a bargain.
purchase,
That was a good purchase.
package,
My package arrived today.
delivery driver,
The delivery driver was friendly.
breakfast menu,
The breakfast menu looks good.
appetizer,
We ordered an appetizer.
main course,
Chicken is my main course.
dessert menu,
Can I see the dessert menu?
bill,
May I have the bill, please?
tip,
We left a generous tip.
reservation,
I made a dinner reservation.
buffet,
The hotel serves a breakfast buffet.
ingredient,
Eggs are an important ingredient.
recipe,
This recipe is easy to follow.
pharmacy,
The pharmacy closes at 9 o'clock.
prescription,
The doctor wrote a prescription.
appointment,
My dental appointment is tomorrow.
examination,
The examination took 30 minutes.
blood pressure,
My blood pressure is normal now.
heartbeat,
The nurse checked my heartbeat.
temperature,
My temperature is normal now.
appointment card,
Keep your appointment card.
emergency room,
Go to the emergency room immediately.
recovery,
His recovery was quick.
manager,
The manager solved the problem.
interview,
My job interview went well.
resume,
Update your resume every year.
application,
I submitted my application.
salary,
Her salary increased this year.
meeting,
The meeting starts at 10.
project,
Our project is almost finished.
deadline,
The deadline is Friday.
promotion,
She received a promotion.
retirement,
My father enjoys retirement.
savings,
I keep money in my savings account.
checking account,
I use my checking account every week.
deposit,
I made a deposit this morning.
withdraw,
I need to withdraw some cash.
balance,
Please check my account balance.
budget,
We follow a monthly budget.
expense,
Food is our biggest expense.
Income.
My income is stable.
Insurance.
Car insurance is required.
Investment.
Education is a good investment.
Website.
The website is easy to use.
Browser.
Open your browser.
Search engine.
I used a search engine.
Web page.
This web page loads quickly.
Username.
Enter your username.
Login.
Please log in to your account.
Log out.
Remember to log out.
Update.
My phone needs an update.
Download.
The download is complete.
Upload.
Upload your assignment today.
Celebration.
We had a family celebration.
Tradition.
This tradition is very old.
Custom.
Every country has different customs.
Culture.
I enjoy learning about other cultures.
Language.
English is spoken worldwide.
Communication.
Good communication is important.
Friendship.
Our friendship has lasted for years.
Happiness.
Good health brings happiness.
Opportunity.
Every day brings a new opportunity.
Achievement.
Learning 1,100 words is a great achievement.
Excellent job.
Today, you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 12.
Goodbye and happy learning!